Okay, so I joined Dylan and her program probably about a month ago. I've had my Etsy store for probably, well, since last October. I'm a dentist by day, so my time is really limited. So I want to say that I haven't spent a lot of time on my Etsy business, and that's what I really want to do. So I decided to take the plunge, join her group and her training, and I'm telling you, it's well worth every single penny. Since a month ago from joining, I have seen an increase in favorites, seen an increase in visits to my store, increase in sales in my store, and that's just by following her plan. And her program is by far the best that I've ever seen or done or joined or whatever you want to say. If you follow her blueprint, you're going to see some great success, but you have to be willing to change and do the things that are needed, and that what she recommends, and her help team is phenomenal as well. You'll see results, you will, but you have to be patient as well. So I just wanted to say, like I said, it's well worth every single penny that you pay, but you got to do the work. So I say do it.